Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all are good. First of all, I would like to wish a Happy New Year to all Indus Viewer family. So today, we have a very special guest who had become the person of virtues and value that was developed and nature in us during the business. He's finished and purchased his business and he's very a workaholic and proved his worth many times. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Executive Purple Diamond, Mr. Jitish Spencer. And I'm sure his optimize his positivity is definitely going to get us all motivate and get up to work forward. So, welcome, Mr. Jitish Spencer. To over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this wonderful introduction. I really appreciate that. Good morning to everyone. Just give me a moment. Good morning, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing good. Am I audible? Just one question. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah, if I can get in chat, yes, that would be great. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So today's morning, uh, very first morning of 2021, and I see there is some. I have to change my network. I'm so sorry for that. I have to change. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. There is some issue. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So can I? Am I audible now? This is becoming tricky. Yeah. Just a second. Okay. No worries. Just a moment, and it will be all good. Okay, perfect, perfect. Very, very good. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's clear now. So I have moved to a different network. I have a backup network as well. So I know the network can be a challenge. So, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning, a very warm welcome to all of you. This is the start of 2021. And yes, we are serious people, and we serious people will do some serious thing in this 2021. And here I am with you to share something very good. And today's topic is very, very interesting. And before moving to a topic of today, I prepared good notes for you guys so that I can give everything what can be given in this short duration. So let me share my background so that you can connect all the dots and you can understand that whatever I am talking about is making sense to you and where I'm coming from. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Jitesh Pant, and I am speaking to you from Delhi NCR, from Gurgaon basically. I belong to a state called Uttarakhand, and I did my schooling from Uttarakhand, and then I did my graduation from Hansraj College, Delhi University, which is from where like Shah Rukh Khan has also done the graduation. And then I did my master's in computer application from National Institute of Technology, which is Bhopal. Earlier it was RECs, which were regional engineering colleges. And academically, I'm throughout topper. And 15 years I've given to the corporate world in different, you can say in different roles, wherein I was a developer to a technical architect in the senior management and upper senior management. So I have seen different part of life, and I was also internationally deployed in countries America, England, Scotland, and Japan. And I started my own entrepreneurship venture in 2013 by the name of Web Geometry Private Limited, an IT company, and then again start more IT companies. So I have a 5 year of entrepreneurship experience and 15 years of this corporate experience. And then I have experience of direct selling as well, which was kicked in 1999, and you know the company name. And I have that experience around 10, 12 years as well. So, but this time, this is a full time. 2017 I started, and I'm doing it full time. So, ladies and gentlemen, the next 25 minutes
Hello,
may be
ma'am.
the most.
Good
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
yes.
I logged the meeting on 5:59, ma'am.
Hello, who's there? Okay, I think no issues. So next 25 minutes, I think they're 25 minutes. Yeah, they're 25 minutes. Next 24 to 25 minutes may be the most for your entire journey of diamondship. And you are serious guys. Can I have a round of applause for all of you? Can you show me that that excitement? Let me see if I want to see that excitement. Okay, great. That's very important. Good. Great. Can I see the excitement in the chat box? Then only if you will give me the energy in the morning, I will develop or triple up that energy. Believe me, I will triple up that energy. And yes, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, so the next 25 minutes, which is coming, will be the most, maybe the most important for the entire journey of diamondship. And I want you to take some serious notes, really some serious notes, and it can change entire mindset, and everything can change for you in year 2021. So the first day of this 1K project of 2021. And why I'm saying so? Success in direct selling is a science. Yes, you heard it right. It is a science. When I say science, that means anyone and everyone who know the logic behind can take big success in direct selling. That's why you see there are a lot of dropouts, there are a lot of students, there are a lot of people from villages, not that great in academically, but yes, these guys are doing awesome and excellent. And even if you see these examples, you have heard so many diamonds in last couple of days. And you saw that those diamonds are coming from all the backgrounds. Why our 4th dropout, our 12th dropout get a big success in this direct selling? Have you ever thought? Because it is a science. Let me elaborate my point. You know water, we all drink water. Our 70% of our body is composed of that water. And the chemical name of that water is H2O. That's a science. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen will make 1 molecule of water, which is H2O. Mother Earth will treat everyone in the same way. Nature will treat everyone in the same way. If you know the chemical formula, and if you know how to do that, you can create 1 molecule. You can create water in your village, in your living room, in USA, in Rwanda, in any part of this planet Earth, because it's a science. So do you want to hear? Do you want to understand? What is that science? What is that formula? What is the science of getting a super success in direct selling? Are you with me? Can I see the excitement? Can I see the faces? Can I see the thumbs up? Are you with me? Are you ready to understand the science behind the super success of all the diamonds which are meeting you daily in this 559 session? Yes. Thank you so much. So guys, in this business, slow and steady never win the race. Slow and steady never win the race. And you heard since your childhood that rabbit and the tortoise story, the slow and steady win the race. But here, you need a burst of energy. You need a burst of energy, which is you say called as a momentum, and then a maintenance period. And I'll explain you each and everything, and I'll give you a formula, that science which has worked for me. And you have heard so many successful diamonds and above, and that has worked for them as well. So you need a burst of energy, and you need a more maintenance, and then again you need a burst of energy. and then maintenance. So let me elaborate with the point. I have drawn a very good, basically very good art for you, and maybe I will show you here. I will show you here by sharing my screen. So that will be better. Can you see this? The topic of today is 90 days game plan and how does it work for you? Ladies and gentlemen, you see this aeroplane. This plane is there. Okay? This plane is running on the runway, and at the end of the runway, you see some tree. And how this 90 days will work for you, I will tell. Let's say take an example, and you believe in a philosophy that slow and steady will win the race. I will do this business slow. 1 month, one recruitment, another month, another recruitment, and for 12 months, recruitment every month. What will happen to you? Your plane will crash, because you know very well, and go and Google and check out in YouTube that for a plane to take off, you need to pull the throttle 100%. It will not work in 40%, 60%, 80%, 90%, 95%. It will not work that way. You have to pull the throttle 100% and then it will take off. Similarly, boiling water, you need 100 degrees. That's Mother Nature. That's what is the science behind direct selling. You need to pull the throttle, one joining in a month and doing that for 12 months, thinking that it will work for you. It will never work for you. Never ever will work for you. And today I will share what will work, ladies and gentlemen. This example is a perfect example of that. Just like in flying, just like in this case, the plane will reach to an altitude after that pulling 100% throttle. Similarly, in direct selling, this 90 days are very crucial. This 90 days will put you in that altitude, in that orbit, wherein then you can, and then the things will work for you, and then you will be ready for your diamond ship. Believe me, ladies and gentlemen, I did this 90 days and I'll share everything with you, all the secret behind. And within 14 months after completing my first 90 days, I achieved diamond ship. And I was one of the fastest diamond in Indus Viva. And my background, I'm a technical guy, working in corporate for 15 years. I have my own entrepreneurship venture. My family was totally against. Initially, for those 7-8 months, my wife was totally against. My family completely against. Because I was earning, I was bigger earning in job as well. I was doing a job of 4 lakh rupees per month. That was my salary in 2014. People dream of that. I quit that. I started my venture. But I was looking for time and money, both. And that can only be achieved in a direct selling industry. And which company can be better than Indus Viva? What a visionary management, what a visionary leadership that I've already evaluated while basically in my journey. And ladies and gentlemen, it was October 2017, I took a decision. And that was the biggest decision, one of the biggest decisions of my life. You have to take decision. You have to take decision if you want to take big, you want to do big. I took a decision to do this Indus Viva full time. Biggest decision of my life. Because family were totally against, and environment were totally against. My near and dear one were totally against. But I believe in time compounding. I believe in direct selling. I believe the future of direct selling in India, and I believe in Indus Viva. And then the journey started. 5th of January 2018, I became Star 1000, earned 1 lakh rupees. 5th January 2018. And I was fortunate enough that there was an inauguration of Viva Tower on 17th or 18th of January, and there was a Star 1000 summit, and there was town hall. And I went to Bangalore, and what I felt in that particular event of town hall, that I got a trophy of Star 1000, and diamonds were treated like celebrities. They were sitting in sofa. And we were at the backside of it. Even when today I watch that video, you can watch that video too, of Town Hall 2018. I got that Star 1000 trophy by our youngest diamond, Mr. Arjun. And he was diamond at the time, I was Star 1000. that made me crazy that I have to move out from this crowd because academically I'm a throughout topper. So I took a decision. I will next time move out from this crowd. I will be there in that sofa. Ladies and gentlemen, then I made this 90 days game plan. I played this from 8th of February till 7th of May. Family totally against, condition totally against, environment totally against. I had a believe in myself, believe in Indus Viva, believe in the product, believe in the business plan. I did my maths. I completely did my maths and I was to it against all the circumstances which was behind me. And then the magic happened. And who did the magic? I myself did the magic. There is no one else. What happened? From 8th of February till 7th of May, I was not at my home. First trip I made to Hyderabad because near dear one was not there. So I was using mobile. You know my story. So I built a channel, moving mobile, built initially there was some team. And then I went to support that team and applied this 90 days game plan. And that 90 days game plan I'll share with you. And what it did for me, how those 90 days, if I do the maths, let's do the maths. In a job, 90 days means 5 days working. If you consider that, 8 hours per day. So if I consider 12 weeks in 90 days, that means 40 hours per week. Do that maths, 40 hours per week. So 12 multiplied by 12, 480 hours in 90 days, if I think it's a job or so. But within 2 years, because of those 90 days, I earned 2 crores. 2 crores within 2 years. So I'm nearing 3 crores now. So 2 crores in 2 years, and do the maths. 2 crores divided by 480. If I consider what value of that first 90 days for me today, it is 2 crores divided by 480 hours per hour, you will get 42,000 per hour. That's the power of that 90 days. My first 90 days in Indus Viva. So ladies and gentlemen, this 90 days, and I had a feeling that I will quit. Today I will quit. And maybe wife was not with me in those 7-8 months. This is 7-8 month initial of my start. So I thought quitting. But then I have a strong belief because I used to read. And because whenever I have a challenge, I've already become a topper in those challenges. Time may take, God may take some test. But yes, I have successfully given all the tests and came out with the flying colors. Same happened in Indus Viva as well. I made a team collab. There were certain leaders who took money and they did all those things. And I was new to, because I was full-timer. I was new to all those things. I went to Purnia, I went to Sitamani, I went to Motihari, Delhi, Hyderabad, and so many places. I was at all the places. And then I found some real gems wherein I found 3 qualities and I invested my time on that and played this 90-day game plan. This 90 days game plan will cut off you from the ground and put you in the orbit. And 90 days game plan is everything. Believe me, guys, this period, you draw a line today, and play your 90 days. I will tell you how to play that. And this 90 days can change your life. It has changed my life. I'm a living proof of that. And you know, nothing need to be done. Everything is documented. You can watch the 2018 video wherein I'm receiving a Star 1000 trophy, and you can see now. So this 90 days had changed my life. Slow and steady does not win. You have to be 100% sold out for this 90 days. What does it look like for a full-timer? I will tell for full-timer and part-timer both. For full-timer, it is 15 hours a day. Yes, you heard it right. Morning from 8 o'clock till midnight. It's 15 hours a day. And what you will do in 15 hours? Whatever Vibrant Viva is educating, that we have to do. You have to do prospecting. You have to build your R3. You have to invite. You have to show the plans. You have to do 6 or 8 back-to-back presentations. Yeah, Jitesh ji, it is hard. Yes, it is hard. You want to become an ordinary to extraordinary. You want to become from known to visible, a celebrity. You want to become from ruby to a diamond, a rock star. Yes. The journey will be hard. Accept that. Take that challenge. Journey will be hard. It will not be a cakewalk, gentlemen. It will never be a cakewalk. It was never, success is never a cakewalk. It will be hard. But here, it will pay you high, very high. It will pay you high, very high. So what you have to do, being a full-timer, invest those 15 hours a day, put 5-6 times. You have to be in 3-way conference call, doing follow-up. You have to, if you have not started your VOP yet, we are in physical mode now, digital and physical. So you have to start your physical VOP, and you have to take a call, collect your team and say, we, after 90 days, decide that day, we are going to have a mega VOP, and we are putting 500 to 1,000 people together in this mega VOP. So for that, you have to do different VOPs. Put that, give that time, talk to your leadership, talk to your diamond and above, and say, hi, sir, I have planned, this is a date, and we are putting 500 to 1,000 people in this auditorium. I have booked the auditorium, and you have to be total focus, talk to your team, basically align everything weekly. And what I understand, I am talking to serious people today. Can I assume that safely, that waking up so early in the morning and listening to this show that you are a serious guy. This will take you to the next orbit. Talk to your people, basically monitor them, or basically do everything on the weekly basis, and target that day wherein you have your mega event. And talk to your upline. Tell them that you are the person who will basically going to do that, crack that, and the explosion will happen after that big mega VOP. Believe me, explosion will happen after that big mega VOP. But when you will play this 90 days, you have to clear the slate. Listen it carefully. You have to clear the slate. You have to talk to your family and tell them. Tell your family, see, I will be out for 90 days. Maybe you can see me at home, but physically I am there, but mentally I am out. And I may be in the tours. Tell them that, think like that I am deployed somewhere. Let's say if I am in Gurgaon, so say that I am deployed in Bangalore. I'll be out, and I need your love. I need your support. If you're married, hold your wife's hand. Tell to your children's kids, if you have kids. If you're not married, tell to your parents, I cannot crawl all my life. Papa, I cannot crawl all my life. This 90 days is a game changer, and I'll be out. But without your love and support, I'll not able to do that. Tell them, why are you doing that? Tell them your vision. Tell them why you're doing that. And when you tell them, believe me, you'll get the support. And you tell them there is end to it. After the 90 days, my business will be in the next orbit. And then I'll again play the 90 days. But yes, during that, we will go to some vacation, 2-3 days off, take 2-3 days off. And within this 90 days, you can take off after 10 days, 15 days, spend that off. But you have to play this 90 days. You have to work hard to get the life of invisible to celebrity to become diamond. For the part-timer, it will look like after your job or after your business, whatever you do, you have to invest at least 6 hours to 8 hours in this business and doing this same thing. No movies, no musti, no fun, total sold out focus. Total sold out focus should be there. Let me conclude it. How did it happen? See, put together an event, decide how many people you will put in that room, in that auditorium, in that hall. If you're thinking 50, 100 people, forget about it then. Think at least 500 people in that hall. Talk to your team, and tell them your vision. Help him taking that vision. Transfer that feeling to them. And then do promotion. Go to the place and sit there and do all small meeting, group meeting, then a VOP every week, VOP, then a small meeting, VOP, and then a big bang, a big mega event of 500 to 1,000 people, and the explosion will happen. And you will be in the next orbit after that. And tell it to your senior leadership and blow their mind. And blow their mind. Ladies and gentlemen, blow their mind, and they will be 100% help you in making that happen. So there are 4 phases. Now, to conclude, there are 4 phases. First phase, 90 days leading to an event. Play your 90 days, 100% sold out. 2021 is a year of complete surrender for the life you wish, you dream to live. Complete surrender. And Indus Viva is a platform which can make it happen. If you are 100% sold out, it will make it happen for you. Believe me, take my word, it will. It has happened for me, and many which you have heard. It can make you happen too. So top priority, Indus Viva, year 2021, 100% sold out. First 90 days, play. Draw that line and play that 90 days. Talk to your family, get their support, and then vanish in this and complete 100% sold out. Yes, you will feel someday within those 90 days, you quit. Things are not working as you wish to happen. Guys, your transformation is taking place inside you. Something is happening, happening, and you suddenly get transformed. Something happen and you suddenly get transformed. You are changing orbits, 1 orbit, 2nd orbit, 3rd orbit, 4th orbit, and then after 1,000 days, you will see you are a different person. You are a different person altogether. So 90 days, but you have to play your first 90 day completely sold out, put an event, and then second thing, event. So first 90 days leading up to event, second phase is event, fourth phase is post-event, because you did the event, fantastic. Then there is a strategy wherein how to do the follow-ups, how will manage those 500 people, 600 people, 800 people, to post-event activities. And then fourth, which is most important, next event. Direct selling is business of moving people from event to event. So 4-step process, 90 days game plan, leading up to event, then event, post-event, and fourth is next event, and repeat this at least 9 to 10 times in this 1,000 days. Believe me, within this year, you will see your diamond shape. I did it once when my first 90 days, within 14 months after that, I became diamond. One of the fastest diamond in Indus Viva. With no contact, nothing, with completely no support from my family for initial 7-8 months. But I managed, you can manage too. Guess what is required? This requires a leader. And you are the one. You are the one who will make it happen. You are the one who will make it happen. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, 2021 with a bang, with complete surrender to Indus Viva, 100% sold out. I wish you a very happy new year, a very prosperous new year. May God in 2024, 31st of March, we all will be there as a 1,000 diamonds, having that flag with us and thinking of this first 90 days game plan, which you have played in 2021. Once again, wish you a very happy new year. Thank you so much. This was Jitesh Pant, Executive Purple Diamond, Indus Viva. Thank you so much.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. Such a wonderful speech, and about what you said about direct selling and about science formula in this business: slow and steady never wins race. So 90 days plan. So 100% full plants and 100% boil water. So similarly, we have to work out for direct selling and full time for 15 hours per day. So start our physical VOP as well as, and you have completed for the conclusion of 90 days plan for 100% sold out and events, and post events as well as the next events. So thank you so much, sir, everyone, and to be in this session. Hope you all will be follow whatever Mr. Sir, Jizzy sir say, and dream, dream, dream. Dreams transferred into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. It's my inspirations me a lot. So it's by APJ Abdul Kalam. And see you tomorrow morning again and share a short 5:59 a.m. Thank you so much for everyone. Have a lovely day to all. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.